So moving into the, let's say, the implementation side of things. So how was the onboarding experience? So was it easy to get your team aligned and work inside Scrut?
Oh, totally painless. And we knew that we cheated a little bit, having done it for our clients, where we almost had a little bit of a trial period in our demos and the negotiations that we had with the Strut team. And I would encourage anybody who's considering it to do that. We had them kind of not just do a demo with slides, but to say, okay, show me, let's implement, show me how it would work with my documents, show me how it would work tracking for our employees. And it was very painless. We could tell right away within 3 days of these negotiations. So that helped out a lot.
Did you have any kind of POC before you were onboarded,
It was
or?
an informal POC. Having gone through many certifications for our clients, since we manage IT for them, we kind of had we cheated a little bit. We had a good understanding of what it'll take. We just wanted professional help so we don't have to divert our attention and just get guidance through the process. And so we knew going in, we don't want to have to do it. We have our day jobs. So that worked really, really well.